Why do most people fail at trading? It's because they don't have the mental game right. They don't have the mental analysis right. There's technical analysis and then there's mental analysis. A lot of people get into trading and don't realize it's an emotional game. So trading involves losses, and a lot of people aren't prepared to take losses. And the average human views losing as failure, as something wrong. So in trading, we have to understand losses are a part of the game. In this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys a guide to making a trading plan and a different perspective on thinking. One thing you need to do in trading is invest in your mental game, and you need to view losses differently. What is your perspective on losses? Because most people look at it as a loss as if it is a failure. In trading, a trader like me or a professional views a loss as cost of operating the business. It's a part of the game. It's gonna be the cost of operating things. It's a part of investing in your mental game. Losses are gonna make you a better trader at the end of the day. And one way you have to think in trading to be more prepared and build around your trades is something we like to call conditional thinking. So what is conditional thinking? If you look here, we have an idea and a little template of conditional thinking in trading. Conditional thinkers have a plan towards their trades. They say, if A happens, I'll do B. Or if A doesn't happen, I'll do this. It's like if this, if that scenario. Before taking a trade, it's good to plan around your trade. What is the trend? Ask yourself questions. Are we in a bullish market? Are we in a bearish market? Is price at a support? Is price at a resistance? Is price giving me an optimal entry, right? Ask yourself questions that can give you yes and no answers or A and B thinking. Because most successful traders I met, they like to think like this. They like to give themselves conditional thinking because it involves specific conditions which could lead to different scenarios. The markets can be different at any time, and there's gonna be different types of setups. And the job of a trader isn't to jump on the charts and get in a trade right away. We wanna plan around our trades. So conditional thinking is something that's gonna allow you to plan around your trades more, because you're able to say, if this happens, I'll do this instead. Or the best part is, what if nothing happens? The part of conditional thinking that will save us from taking wrong entries. Because trading's not about being right all the time. We can be wrong in trading, but we can avoid being wrong. Most people try to avoid being wrong in the sense of making up for being wrong. They want to take a loss, but they don't like that they took the loss. Oh, I'm wrong. I was wrong on my analysis. I was wrong on my trade. I gotta fix this. I gotta make a new trade right here, right now. I gotta find a plan to make that money back. That's not how you wanna think. A loss is a part of the game. You lose a trade, come back the next day, look for another trade. That's how professionals think. Conditional thinking is gonna allow you to not enter trades too. So when I look at the market, I ask myself A, B, and C. What is lining up with my strategy? I have my strategy that I like to focus on daily. So add pieces together. This will help me not enter the wrong trades. Because like I said, trading's not about being right all the time. You're gonna be wrong. So that's one thing you gotta accept in the mental game. There's times you're gonna be wrong. Learn to accept to be wrong. Most traders try to avoid losses. The key is learning how to accept them. Avoiding losses is this, a plan. How do you avoid losses? You have a plan. You build around your trades. You say, if this happens, I'll do this instead. If this doesn't happen, I'm not gonna trade. This is why I like conditional thinking, because it keeps me out of the market when I don't need to be in it, and then I'll find that setup that I'm looking for, usually afterwards. So guys, make sure in your trading, you do what most traders don't, which is create a plan. Most traders, there's a reason why, statistically, 90% and more of people fail at trading. It's because they don't have a proper trading plan. Follow me and subscribe for more information like this, and comment on this video, guys, if there's any more mindset tips you guys would like to see.